Yo dude, your crib is totally tricked out.
Yo, thanks homie G. Cribs was at my pad the other day.
Where is the 6 stereo system, bro?
Just back there yo. It's pretty sick man.
Wanna have a dance off?
Yeah man. You go first bro.
Alright. Here I go.
My turn yo.
Dude, that was totally tricked out man.
We be rocking this beat yo.